kuchukua nafasi hii to thank all of you for making it here. There was a possibility that I called for this meeting, but I find nobody has, shown up. Thank you for the coordinators, but unfortunately I've seen some contingencies. There was biasness.
Yes, like yes,
I have seen where Kabos comes from, and Makumba, and Julius wako wengi. Nimeona pia that there is work we are doing. Although my team of communication, where is Isaiah? Okay, Isaiah, we are doing badly because we've not seen all projects haziko hapa. Wewe na kina huyu mtu anaitwa nani? Hao watu wa kamera hivi. The next meeting lazima tupate everyone ile kazi imefanyika. Kwa hivyo asanteni kwa kazi nzuri. Kwanza allow me watu wa UDA ambao mko hapa msimama juu. Wale ambao mmekuja. Karibuni nyumbani. Karibu mjisikie nyumbani. Ni sasa hawa warembo hapa wangwana. Karibuni. Ninajua I'm happy. This gentleman, his name is Ogachi. Ogachi ameongea mzuri sana na amesema vizuri kwamba they have been fighting wars ambazo sio zao. Wanalipa kwa vita mbaya hivi. I can tell you, my brothers and sisters, it's 3 years down the line, but basically for any serious Kisii resident will say we have done works which was not done in 10 years. That's the truth of the matter. Let me tell you my story. I normally give it in bits, but today I'll try to, and feel for me as we are moving on, in just explaining a number of the things that have happened in my life. Today that I'm a governor, I thank God. If there is a miracle, we wanted to see the miracle, the hand of God. When you see Simba, forget about the negative part of it. If you want to see the hand of God, is when you see Simba Arati. Nchena yibule kimoto ntaalia. Ndondo, nechimiende, na maandasi hapa. Nowadays unasema chafua. And some at that time most of those girls were being brought in by Chikali, Adrobi Wongao. Mikono waza kwa yaga tu kumugulira mwancha fly yoke. There is nothing you can do to him. No, ora mchafu away. Therefore, I finished college again. I went back selling small week because I didn't have anybody in Nairobi. The young people stood with me, and I want to thank you guys, the ones who stood. Mwagoli ulingo mwadi akadora kura karibu 1080 kimbwade 1270, a difference of 200,000. Lakini wanyana agose abantu aba 200,000. Uko gose na oranyo na bagose no kuba amabere ko abana baba amabere. Kwa sababu nyona kwa sino ngutaje pipe gaiga chibesa cyatokire na ira abana babe pasa. Oranyo ko sana ba ile. I didn't tell you sorry ngakina nyomete na rodo ikira. Nje bateri. Nje bateri. Garage jaga. I Simba de pale Haya. Ntakitende weke kinyenrete. Haya nani? Ase meso na ngor ko nyara ko na ai kaga. Aba kaka waliwa katengo kunyira kwa chile etaonia. Can I ask my brothers and sisters? Korosti kadro, you have seen kadro say taoniga. Korosi chirechi. Koros nyambera. Koena ne basa. Korosi nyagitari. Abana mabe. Gaki nobonyi. Yeah, I want you to show me Nyambera how it was Nakiemo. Asa alibero undiwenzi utaende koega na boko endoe gerega. This is the place. Ngoro wa story ga wo e cafeteria ngia chibu mjoka tatabe koro chukra. Now, lakini murandi na mwanafunzi wembate emyake bali obaraka no koibwe ba bali koibwe no ene chinji njabe chirei eba kulira motukayo mamolo ngenje. I wanted to tell you my story and come a yingwa kerenya sae rero ngambia mono on dentre mpaka gagesindere. For those young of you who have come out of school and I thought they were here. Outside here is not easy. You must praise yourself. Otherwise, I would have turned out to be a criminal. I would have turned out to be an alcoholic. But I decided kuende kanisa and I was focused. And I thank God gave me that heart. Today, I'm serving my people. I'm just a servant. The normal colleague, as you know. And I'll do egas mwangere. Intebega. Na mabi young man. Ogachi, I want to thank you. They were pulled into including my own Senate. In Mweka I think I keep or recent time in Kobe governor. I can go for a billionaire, anyway, you know what is a billion? A billion is what I've given out as bursary. A billion. At least there is a baby who was to miss school, but today is in school because I've given bursary. You have seen a lot of wars, chinga, by MCA, by Jumbe, nothing. Simba, most of the tenders, my brothers and sisters, I had 73 contractors, and almost all of them, close to few of them who are working. They were doing air job. You look for a road, you Simba, Oyagi, Oso Yugi, Ose Kwamuka, Ose Kemundu, Gochi Konyiketa Valetiki, Ti, lakini Neakanini, Itangan, and he walk on Yakam, Embel. Who will be a custodian of our generation? You must be custodians of your own generations. Even the government of Mutumina Kika, Moniviki, Muganga. If you are a leader, some of you may not understand this. If you are a leader, you must be a crooked leader. we will not get there. Today, I'm happy. I got 32 road machineries. And these machineries, they are on the site. They are in Nyacheki, but they are on site. Some of them, they've said, oh, it was brought here and taken back. These, I saved 1.2 billion Kenya shillings. Otherwise, I would have decided to say, Nyechi contract drag in the church. But I decided that there is nothing like that. These machineries, they will be here, they will do work, no I can rule this, I want to say this. I'll not look back as something may be gaining on me. I won't look aside because they will have distracted me. I'll get focused for the service delivery. This week, actually over this weekend, the tippers, because tippers, you know, they were to make sure why they have delayed is they were to make sure they have fabricated a number of the things. Now, I saw yesterday, they have already applied for the number plates, they are mounting, they are actually putting the logo. Therefore, in the new week, you will see again the tippers. Chigo Koregas, Chia County. Bandababa Koror. Lakini, I agree with you. The Bible says, the Bible is correct. Bakora lead to Watchmoto. School. Today, okay, go to Riangabi, this school. And yeah, that is a screen on the wall. All of you know about the story of this boy. But today, I'm happy God is good all the time. Tukagenda tukarusio nkara yanga kijana yale nimade mpaka na arudi kwa koega. These boys, among other big team that I've traveled with, including those MCS Muroja Wandawa Kamaliogi, na moigo to ninki. Yeah, at least you have the exposure. And I'm happy that you are doing a very good job. Thank you. Sit down. Next time, I want again, I want to very serious. You know, we are only around 55 million. 55 million. China, but today I've seen the results of Okanyaga, a pipe. And I'm happy that you can say it again, right? We are going to lead a town here with around 150 solar lights. We are doing 74 Mlikamwizi solar lights in the whole county, all markets. Amache, one of the wards which is leading as a connectivity of Amache, ne ward Kurukumonyero ward in Kitutu Church. Amache Alikarase. The cabros in town, we are doing them, these are streets you can walk in town, you will realize yourself what's together. I wanted to point out that the airport, the president accepted to give us 500 million. There is a contract on site and paperwork, and the president has given him a timeline. that airport must be ready to be used. The only thing the president asked me is to engage the ghost guys who are neighbor. We do some compensation so that the runway and the area 47 passengers, which is 67, neighbor. Anything above that, lazima tubali karibu sunekengima, boncharengi magali, because it's kilometers and kilometers of runway which is required for those heavy commercial planes to land there. But the lighter one, they will be landing there. But more, you know this place, Kisii. This one, and among the other many, to WhattsApp town. There is 5 kilometers the president also gave me at Nyanchwa. Kange pale inanyira usijibona ngingana ngenda Arati town. The town is the face of the county. I've talked of Suneka market, Ogembo market, Tanganpi, in South Korea na Amonyola. Ngasi kogenda komenyoro, ngaja kanyo mabono from the NCNN. Ye saransi the Ghana inchi. Headquarters, Kimosoka Korugale. I want you guys to allow me. Komosoka Korugale, nitageta mocha headquarters here. It is now much better. This was an old clip. We have put 500 million here. Our own money, not loan. Okay, and the Mogarega Omabe. Ebara state quarter, Simimi, Vasavete Road at 800 million. I want you guys to walk there. This is your own money that I have saved by the J pipe. Let me say this as I'm finishing. I know all of you have come here, and one speaker said it here, that I manage this team, something kidogo at the end of the month. I want to manage your expectation. Because yes, it is easier to say than doing what? Actualizing it. I don't want to promise that there will be a certain stipend, but occasionally we want to see who are doing, forget about the 5,000, even 10, even 20, even 30. Depending, we are ready. I'm a government. And being a government, we must be able to give hope as a by making sure by the end of the day, also okay, what hope. I want to promise. But we must manage expectation. These gentlemen, some of them are Julius Teneme, saying some of them, guys, you will be seeing them. Yeah? You'll be seeing them moving forward. Makumba, now you're already in the system. You go now your collegiate team, Kara, you'll be in charge of the youths and the gender and the sports. I wanted to announce officially. One of my this team in Juska, my brother, Umroyo, God willing, by next week, I run the government. You will be in the office. I've decided. I can join a team now. Over I get the vacuum. Even when, I don't know you guys you see, I can't talk and dig on. It was a little mine. Nkeko get a pussy out mine. It's in Jigas, yeah, no, that yeah, girl. About the physics. Equated the vacuum, you are very created. Every year, I walk by the kid. Especially like you say, you go on a vacuum when you are created, that's never occupied. The vacuum which was created, you occupied immediately. That's all. You will be seeing new faces walking around with me, resolving and young people. One other thing about Katura, but language there are fathers, there are uncles, there are sisters, there are mothers, we respect them. But for this one, we must show we have taken charge of our generation. Or the whole team will be able to walk around with. Isaiah, my communication director, you will definitely work hand in hand in Avanta. Next week, we'll go and do that.
Hello. How are you? I don't know why Governor is speaking in Kisii. Can I speak English? Do I need a translator? Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, I look for someone to translate.
No, yeah, Nancy.
Now, first, I'm even scared to speak. In our home, a woman does not speak after the husband. I don't know today if I speak, I'll be protected. So first, I want to ask DG to make sure he protects me in the evening. Second, I don't want to break the protocol. I've never spoken after governor has spoken. But today, allow me to speak and don't beat me. I want first to recognize all the ladies here. I have seen there are many ladies down here.
Yes.
But I have not seen ladies up here, except two. We don't have gender here with governor. We want to ask the governor in the next meeting also give us more ladies. I thought I would come and see many influencers, which I know, but the faces are very new. The few ones I know, they are not here. There is the one I know called Osano. I have been in the functions with him. I don't know why he's not called. I even looked for Makumba in the morning to look for him, but I'm told he was in Ignorit. But I'm told there is a very famous one here. It's called Manwiki. Manwik. Where is that Manwik? Okay, come near here. There is another one called Okyundo. Another one called Sgarla. Where is Sgarla? And there's another one called Flandy something. Huh? Blessed Abel. I can see someone has gone by to see it. Today I'm safe. Where is Blessed Abel? Is that a Franny here? There's one called a Franny something. Let me look for them.
Because I have so